My name is Jonathan Worster. I'm pleased to introduce you to the Tramonto project.
When we originally started this project, the idea was to sell it at the completion of the project. But now, the time frame has sped up. The sale now needs to happen while construction is going on. One of the things that forced us to do was we needed a product to show potential buyers. And so that product now is going to be all in our digital rendering. We've hired world-class digital artists to set up a model that is very photorealistic of what will actually be the finished product.
The rendering process has really brought to my attention a lot of the finishing details that I hadn't had the time to consider. That rendering process takes some of that guesswork out of the imagination. It takes what you imagine and puts it into a visually compelling, a very real situation where you can see every iota of the building and you can give thought to all of it. But that process has been beautiful because it's informed a lot of those nuances that we were going to decide later on down the line more organically. It forced us to push through, to think through, and then to plan it and then ultimately execute according to that plan. It's also been very helpful in terms of fine-tuning finish alignments and to understand how lighting effects interact with different building components. All of these things are helping us to create and refine the design so that we're delivering the best possible result that we could imagine. And I'm actually very grateful that the clients pushed forward in this direction, making us create these renderings now, because it will make for a better project in the end.
What's exciting about this project is that it's been a few years where we've been experimenting with having a virtual reality in-world headset experience for our clients. And it hasn't always worked out the way that we expected or wanted to, but now the technology is there, we have the right artists, and with this property we're going to be seeing a really exciting, really intricate level model for the buyers to look through. And that's really going to be a neat experience for them and for us to see their reaction to our design and to what our finished products can be.